boy big man a big metro. The other day me a walk over in. Me book a big fat girl named in. Why you live to say she live over in. Who want you live to say she live with her in. So me go check her early one in. Already on me mind was in. Me look down then me see the fat in. Go down so one then me draw for me in. Take me in. Choking at the in.
Now video bring a batty boy them today, me and a man I go 64, him said the man I go 99. And I see it in the say me I go 99. Big batty man, him so pussy friend of yourself. Yeah man. So soon I quote. Yeah man. Instagram like this man. I live with the yeah man. Shoot up and shoot me. Shoot up and shoot me, yeah? You know fucking belly as you know beg too much man. That's how I know pussy on camera so.
The tow truck sent to tow the bus has broken down, and now the tow truck sent to tow the tow truck and the bus has also broken down, so I don't know what's going to be their next move.
This is a bunch of idiots who are following. No care when you gun long, me not afraid that you could not have every bomb where they making in the world. So. Me will tell you no anything come out my mouth. If you know where good for you, turn these dirty stinking jeep, drive them in the sea, or you drive them go about in the business, or you call the army and tell them say, miss, me name Steve from my wicker. I mean, there are Hellshire on the beach, and no boy can take me off of this until me ready to go home. So if you don't know what for, wrap up them and just go on about the business, because you're hard to do. Some arts have to work over here, so analysis, I just thinking stage tonight until me make better stage than work on. We don't call on the Prime Minister and tell him, say, Mr. Him cannot take me off our private beach. We don't think so, fool, not deal with it. We don't can't deal with poor people, so I am not a poor man. So no boy can't tell me nothing. So if you know what phone just turn and go on the yard with a Hellshire. That them blood class you can condemn with. We're gonna come out to the business. Tear down and nasty. We're gonna come out to the business. You can't be there.
Be there, man, be there.
I shoot them shoot me, so bad. But if you bad just shoot me. One on. It cannot do me none. Me iron and bombard still. A boy if you know that. So tell the Prime Minister say, me, take me over here so. If he have sense in come sit down and read with him and teach him like a logic for if he run country. When you come here like germs, if I dirty thinking when he's going to drive on. I want to run come over here. And things I hear that when I come to. When you never hear saw me over here. When you think say 1, 2, 3, the whole, every 2 over camp can take me off of it. Not one, can't take me off of it. Me get to know anybody in the world because this belongs to the Almighty. It belongs to no Prime Minister, no President, no priest, no boy in the world, no Bill Gates, no Putin, no boy can't nowhere. That's what you know. So the pass on the left. I don't know if you know what to create a problem. Because we're
not going to create a problem, we're not create a problem, we're not run people off of the Almighty beach. How do you run people off of the beach of the Almighty?
What's in that part? Everybody out one.
Right, the emergency, read out.
It's a madman, isn't it?
Fine.
You wear that?
14 Alman clothes. I can't check what's here.
So we're ready for the
Alright. Never mind, do it! No,
Hey, video me. Hey. Sir, excuse, sir, excuse. Excuse, sir. Hey, on the subdue him. Subdue him. Yeah, man. You have to hold it, Michael. You have to hold it. Yeah, man. Subdue him, man. Subdue him. Sir. Yo. Sir. Sir, you might get arrested. Sir, you might get arrested, sir. Sir, you might get arrested. Yeah, man.
Yo, wanna know them people that just love criticize people? Yes, the same people that just sit on the internet and just criticize you. Anytime them see us try nothing, them are the first to tell us that it now work and it don't good. Them ever try nothing for themselves yet? Look back, everybody will love criticize. What them ever try do? Alright, yeah, you try sell something and it not sell. You try start a business and it fail, but what? You do it again, you try. You write a song but it not sound good, you write a next song. But there's always that one person where under your comments them I say, yeah man, that not sound good. That not make it. Them not try nothing. So you know what I got them? Them I got there in their yard, walkless with nothing, and them not gonna achieve nothing. Cause all them can do and watch people and comment on what people do. And will never ever try to do something for themselves. So,
Jamaicans be like, yo, waddy blood clot do you? What? Why you never told me George is a fish? Why does it matter? Me did share a spliff with him. So what's the big deal? Him suck hood. That makes no sense. Don't you share spliff with gal?
So, Master fans, you want to know how do I lose the weight? I'm a sweet sense of me, I'm not left ya. Me a man banana, me not left ya. And I must get up out on a boom clock bed and go run a morning time. But no one remedy.
Media Bellevue for me injection. Come back, there's a surprise party. Mr. Red Carpet. I'm on TV, Mr. Them sitting there. And something set up so pretty. We're gonna be here next year, put on clothes provide. People for make up my face. Shoes provide everything. You wanna take it?
This is a more than drama supposed to work.
this to blood clot. Man, check up and think about. Man, check up and the John, man. Blood clot. No. Can't swim. Can't swim. No. Man, in the ground. The man, John, no.
Ding, ding, ding. We are peasy. Wait, man. Peasy. Wait, no peasy, man. Peasy. Calm the peasy, man. Fist to fist first, peasy. Yeah.
Oh, peasy. Let's go straight.
Ding, ding, ding. And they're out. And then second. Yeah, but watch him. And so wide. Yeah! Yeah, man. Cut off this. You can lift up 100,000 in your hand cash right now. We are do a fire shot and a war with man like a fuck man. You're a batty boy, brother. What man are doing in your thoughts? Brother, if rich. That me I tell you, dog.
You need God. You need to seek God.
You need God.
You need God.
Listen. Don't leave me now.
Yo, leave. No, I will lick you. Nobody will lick you, Elda.
A lion.
You say can't do me in a mess.
You need manners. What your man speak from me?
Hey.
Tell her you select me in a mess. You select me.
Elda, ease yourself, man.
Tell she ease herself, no?
You behave yourself, man. Can nobody not tell you?
Now you speak from me, sir.
Hey, Jesus. Hey. Me I gonna let you. No, come on.
What man speak from?
Come on, cause I'm paying me to you know, cause you know no behavior, you know.
That's me no want lick the money here, you know. Me no
So
want
where
to
lick me in a mess? Try to lick me in a mess. May I talk to you?
Where you speak from me for, sir?
I speak to your
Can you...